Hey guys, I'm making this really quick video for you. If you're looking for a way how to connect the Samsung monitor, now to do it to your speaker. So what you need to do is you need to have an audio jack. Do you see it? I'm going to show you right here. So this is like some kind of like Samsung monitor, and this is the best way how I can find it. You need to have like the jack where you're gonna have the headphones. Do you see that? And when you're going to locate it on your monitor, if you have it, to connect it to speaker, now you need to have an aux to USB-C or just aux to aux cable. And these are the things that you need to have. So either, it really depends. Now you have speaker like JBL, Sony, I don't know what kind of speaker you're using. So you're gonna have for example, USB-C to the aux cable that you would have to have if you have the speaker only with USB-C port and not aux. But if you have a speaker that has got aux, then you're just gonna get this cable and you're gonna insert it to the speaker. Super simple. That's it. And you got it.